I wonder what happens if you take some store-bought oranges and you take the seeds out and you plant them. Let's see. Gotta be very careful. Did you know that this wasn't the actual seed? The seed is actually encased in this shell. Didn't know that. So you want to carefully remove. It's best to do this when the seed is kind of moist. That way you don't risk cracking the seed that's under the shell. If you leave this little coating on, it's possible that it will rot. Okay, there we have it. I did one earlier, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and plant about 3 of these. And let's do one more, just in case. There we have it. So, the question is, can you grow an orange tree from store-bought seeds or store-bought fruit?